Welcome, and thank you for joining today's presentation. I'm here on behalf of Hen Analytics to talk about how we help businesses like yours optimize supply chain fulfillment using advanced analytics. Whether you manage manufacturing, warehousing, or logistics, fulfillment is where profit meets performance. When we talk about optimizing supply chains, three key themes emerge: efficiency, visibility, and growth. Efficiency focuses on reducing costs by streamlining operations. Visibility provides real-time insight across the supply chain, enabling quick responses to disruptions. And leveraging analytics-driven insights allows companies to unlock new growth through better inventory planning and customer satisfaction. Fulfillment is the last critical mile of your supply chain, but it's also one of the most fragile. Missed deliveries, back orders, or poor tracking can all lead to lost customers and rising costs. That's where analytics can deliver real value through better data and smarter decision-making. Many businesses struggle with fulfillment because they rely on disconnected systems or manual workflows. Lead times become unreliable, inventory builds up, or worse, runs out. These pain points are solvable, but only if we shine light on them with the right data tools. Most companies face similar fulfillment challenges: late deliveries, inconsistent lead times, and frequent stockouts. Manual processes that cannot scale and siloed systems that limit forecasting accuracy only add to these problems. Addressing these pain points requires a shift to data-driven operations. Fulfillment analytics involves turning operational data into insight. It allows us to monitor real-time performance, predict demand patterns, and anticipate where bottlenecks or shortages will occur before they hurt your customers or your margins. Fulfillment analytics combines descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics to drive performance improvements. We track key KPIs like fill rate, lead time, and back orders, but we also go beyond that. We predict demand, simulate scenarios, and recommend actionable steps, helping organizations make proactive decisions instead of reactive fixes. These are just some of the KPIs we track to evaluate fulfillment health. A consistently high fill rate and on-time delivery percentage are signs of a well-oiled system. Variability in lead time or frequent back orders, on the other hand, flag areas for improvement. We track metrics such as order fill rate, on-time delivery rate, inventory turnover, lead time variability, and back order frequency. These metrics are critical because they directly reflect the health of your supply chain. A visual dashboard of these KPIs provides instant insight into performance trends and areas for improvement. Reorder point optimization ensures you restock inventory at the right moment, not too early and not too late. By accounting for demand variability and supplier lead time, we reduce the risk of stockouts while avoiding costly excess inventory. The result is a balance between availability and efficiency. Reliable fulfillment starts with reliable suppliers. We analyze supplier performance using historical lead time data, which can identify trends and risk factors. If one vendor's delivery window is widening, you'll know before it impacts your customers. Supplier lead time modeling measures how consistently your suppliers perform. Variability in lead times can signal potential risks or disruptions. By modeling and analyzing these patterns, we can identify which suppliers need closer monitoring or renegotiation to improve reliability. Forecasting demand is essential for planning. Using ARIMA and other statistical models, we help clients predict changes in order volumes across time. This means you can adjust your inventory, labor, and logistics resources proactively, not reactively. Accurate forecasting is crucial for aligning inventory, staffing, and production. By leveraging historical data and seasonality trends, we predict volume spikes or slowdowns. This helps companies prepare ahead of time, avoiding overstaffing or stock shortages. Here's an example of what our analytics can deliver for a client. By analyzing their fulfillment process, we can pinpoint where delays are likely to happen, optimize reorder points, and supported warehouse restaffing during peak demand windows. These are tangible improvements that translate directly to cost savings and happier customers. Our engagement process is simple. We start with a free consultation and data review. Then we deliver actionable models tailored to your operation. We continue refining our recommendations with timely, regular reports and updates, scaling as your business grows. Why Blue Hen Analytics? We combine real-world supply chain expertise with advanced analytics. You won't get a one-size-fits-all solution. We work closely with your team to build what works. And because we're independent, your success is our only priority. As a small, client-focused firm, we combine personalized attention with enterprise-grade tools and analytics. Thank you for your time today. If fulfillment is a priority, as it should be, let's schedule a time to talk. Whether you need a quick performance audit or a full-scale analytic solution, Blue Hen Analytics is ready to help.